In this video, we're building something incredibly useful right inside a garden bed, a small hidden compost system that nourishes plants with compost tea and provides fresh compost for the next season. It's simple, low cost, and ideal for organic gardening. By following along, you'll create a system that not only enriches your garden soil, but also helps you reduce kitchen waste in a smart and sustainable way. To get started, you don't need anything fancy. Just find an old container around your home that you're no longer using. It could be a plastic pot, a cracked bucket, or anything with some depth. In our case, we're using 2 damaged plastic pots that are no longer suitable for planting, but perfect for this project. Once you have your container, the next step is to create holes in it. These holes allow airflow and help the compost tea slowly seep into the surrounding soil. You can use a soldering iron, screwdriver, or even a heated nail to make the holes. Be sure to make plenty, on all sides, including the bottom. Don't stop at just a few. The more small holes you add, the better the system will function. This ensures good airflow and allows water and nutrients from the decomposing waste to reach the garden bed soil, which boosts overall soil health. After preparing your container, find the right spot in your garden bed or large container garden. Dig a hole the same size as your container so it can sit snugly with just the top sticking out above the surface. Place the container into the hole and fill the space around it with soil to secure it. This will now serve as your compost station. Start adding kitchen waste into your container. Things like fruit peels, veggie scraps, coffee grounds, and crushed eggshells work great. Stay away from oily or cooked food. Once you've added some waste, sprinkle in something special. Vermicompost. It introduces worms and beneficial microbes that break down the waste and turn it into compost tea. If you don't have vermicompost, a few handfuls of soil from your garden, especially if it contains worms, will also do the trick. Now, add water to moisten the waste. This helps kickstart the decomposition and supports the formation of compost tea. The goal is to keep everything moist but not soggy. You can also throw in weeds and fallen leaves from your garden. These materials are nutrient-rich and help the composting process move along faster. Once everything is added and properly moistened, cover the container. You can use a breathable cloth, an old plastic lid, or a wooden board. The cover should keep out pests like flies and mosquitoes while still allowing some airflow. Avoid sealing it too tightly. A breathable cloth is a great choice as it lets air in while keeping odors and pests out. This step is crucial for maintaining a healthy composting environment. Over the next few weeks, the waste inside will begin to decompose. Worms will multiply and break down the material, and the resulting compost tea will slowly filter into the surrounding soil. This natural fertilizer feeds your plants and enhances soil quality. Over time, you'll notice stronger, greener growth. At the end of the season, you'll have a container full of rich, dark compost that can be spread over your garden bed or used in pots. This method is not only effective and affordable, it's almost effortless. It reduces kitchen waste, enriches the soil, and helps your plants thrive, all without the hassle of turning compost or managing piles. Just let the worms and microbes handle it. So next time you peel an orange or toss veggie scraps, don't throw them out. Use this system and give your plants a nutritious gift. For more smart gardening tips, be sure to check out our channel and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.